Good morning students, I am Gurleen Kaur Suri, your science teacher. In the previous class we have learnt about force and we have understood that force results when there is an interaction between two objects, and we also studied about the effects of force. Today we will learn about the types of force. We broadly classify force into two main types, that is contact forces and non-contact forces. Now, as the name suggests, contact forces are those forces which comes into play when the two objects are in contact with each other, and non-contact forces take place when the two objects are not in direct contact with each other. We'll brief about the two types of forces with the help of few examples. Now, the very first example I'm going to quote is muscular force. Now, what is a muscular force? Muscular force, as the name suggests, is the force which is exerted by the muscles of an organism. For example, camels, bullocks, and oxen are often used to pull loads, to pull the carts. That means they are using their muscles to pull the luggage. I can quote one more example. For example, if I want to push an object, pull an object, or if I want to lift something, let's take an example. If I want to lift my bag, I'm using my muscles. Similarly, when you are lifting your bags or lifting or carrying your luggages, that means you are using the muscular force. Now, muscular force is a contact force or a non-contact force? Well, it is a contact force because there is a contact between the two objects. When I was carrying the bag, my body and the bag were in contact with each other. So this type of force is a contact force. Another example is frictional force. Now, what is a frictional force? Let us see. Well, what did you observe? When I put a force on the ball moved and covered a small distance. After that, it came to rest on its own. There was no force to stop the ball, but without that force, the ball came to rest. Why did it happen? Because there was an opposite force taking place on the ball by this table. Now, these two objects were in contact with each other, and when the ball was moving in this direction, the frictional force was acting on the opposite direction. And who was causing that frictional force? Of course, the body on which this object was moving. Same is the example when the footballers play with the football. When they kick the football will travel to a certain distance, and it will come to stop on its own. So how it happened? The ground was exerting an opposite force on the ball which made it stop. And when did the ball stop? When the two forces were equal in magnitude. That means frictional force is the force which is equal and opposite, which is exerted equal and opposite to the direction of motion of an object. Now, this frictional force is a contact force because there is a contact between the ball and the table. Okay. Now, there is one more example is air resistance force. Now, what is air resistance force? Now, air resistance force is the force which air exerts on the objects which are moving through it. For example, aeroplanes, helicopters, or even birds who are moving through the air, they are facing an opposite force which is being exerted by air itself. That means air is opposing the motion of objects which are passing through them. Now, air resistance force is a contact force or a non-contact force? Well, it is a contact force because the objects are in contact with the air. Okay, now I will quote few more examples. The gravitational force. Let us see. Now, when I throw this ball upwards, let's see what will happen. Oh, it came down. And if I drop it, oh, again it has come down. Now why this happened? Why it didn't go up, or why it did not float on the air, in the air? This is because of the force of gravity. What is the force of gravity? It is the force which is exerted by the earth. That means earth is pulling things towards it. So, gravitational force is a contact force or a non-contact force. Well, it is a non-contact force because there was no contact, no direct contact between the two objects. Same is the case when you jump. When you jump, you come down because the earth is pulling you towards it. And when you were jumping, there was no contact between you and earth, but earth pulled you towards itself. Now, coming up next to magnetic force. What is a magnetic force? Magnetic force is the force which is exerted by a magnet on the magnetic materials, let's say iron. Now, let us see with the help of this example. I am bringing this magnet close to the iron nails. Oh, they tend to click to the magnet even though they were not in direct contact with the magnet. That means the magnet pulls the iron nails towards itself even when it was made close to a certain distance. Let's see it again. See, so magnetic force is a kind of non-contact force because there was no direct contact between the magnet and the iron nails. Now, coming up next is electric force. What is an electric force? Electric force is the force which acts or plays on the objects when they are electrically charged. Now, how can an object get electrically charged? Well, they can get electrically charged when we rub them. For example, we have done this activity so many times, rubbing a scale, a plastic scale on hair and then bringing them close to the paper strips. Let's do it. Yes, can you see paper strips clinging to the scale? Why this happened? Because the scale gets electrically charged. Now this type of charge is called static electricity because this electricity cannot move. Electric force is a contact force or a non-contact force. Again, it is a non-contact force because there was no direct contact between scale and the paper strips. Now let's summarize all the types of forces that we have learned today. The very first one was muscular force. It is a contact force. Then we had the frictional force. Again, it was a contact force. Then we have air resistance force. It is also a contact force. And then the force of gravity, that is the gravitational force, magnetic force and electric force. These are the non-contact forces. I hope now all the types of forces are clear to you. I will come back again with a new video with a new topic. Till then, take care of yourselves.